The Metallkraft LMS 400 is a circular saw capable of cutting through light alloys and non-ferrous metals. The construction is sturdy and machine operation is straightforward and easy to use. The pointer blade has a diameter of 400 millimeters and can be changed quickly and easily by loosening a screw. The motor power of the LMS 400 is 2.2 kilowatts and has a rotation speed of 3,000 RPM. The table has a rotating mechanism that is mounted on the support. This gives you the option of sawing at 45 degrees left and right. In addition, the head can be tilted 45 degrees to the left. With a weight of 210 kilos, this is a sturdy yet stable machine that is very smooth to operate.